Alright guys, check this out. It just snowed outside. So I'm going to show you guys about this snow testing thing. Now check this out. Look at that, it's fresh snow right there. Untouched, fresh snow. We'll leave that open. So this, take it in the kitchen. Alright, right by the microwave. We're going to do this microwave test and see. Seriously, like, this stuff needs to end. Okay? There's nothing wrong with this snow. Alright, so pop it in there. Let's see. 30 seconds. Let's do it. Alright, so 30 seconds. That's it. Got my chicken. These are my cheese sticks right here. Alright. So let's check this out. A little bit longer. We'll pop in another 30. There's nothing wrong with this stuff. This whole snow thing, like seriously, it has to end. Like people are making anything up right now. Oh man. That was good. Alright. Back on track here. Okay, we got it all melted. Let's check this stuff out here. There is a lot of water, by the way. Okay. So, I mean, there's some little black fragments. You can see it right there. I mean, this is drift snow. So this isn't like super fresh. This is drift snow. That's piling up on the balcony that you saw out there. Other than that, this snow looks completely fine. If it wasn't for the black flakes, I would definitely drink it. There's nothing wrong with this snow at all.